the pattern.
Mr. Reddy, you haven't spoken so far, sir. How do you see this?
I can see,
yes, sir.
Pranesh, more than the retail investor interest, for Congress and BJP, this is a political blame game. Who is dominating whom? End of the day, a foreign institution is repeatedly making allegations only against one corporate, and now this time they also have brought in the SEBI chief. And when you clearly say there is a conflict of interest, जिसके ऊपर आरोप लगा जा रहा है, they are answering. Why the finance ministry or the prime minister's office or anybody concerned is not answering? Just because it is a foreign institution or some apex court or some other institution has given them wrong sense, or they are wrong or right, whatever it is. Here the ultimate issue must be the interest of the retail investors. Last time when the Hindenburg report has come out, lakhs of retail investors have lost their money. There was no protection. Now, directly on the SEBI chief, there are allegations. Today, Rahul Gandhi was asking whether Supreme Court will file a, take a suo motu case, or will she resign? There were many questions. But here in one case, as Poonawalla was asking, in Telangana, their chief minister, Revant Reddy, welcomes the Adani with a red carpet. In many of the BJP ruling states also, any which way, Adani is there.
Right,
so
I get that point. But on the larger point of protecting the interest of retail investors, let me bring in Tushar Gupta. Tushar, are the questions that are being raised by the opposition, are they valid or not? And why are they not valid?
I'll give you an example, Pranesh. Abhi, when Lokesh was replying to me, he made a point that in 2020, when the SEBI chairperson or to be SEBI chairperson was invested in the IP Plus fund, she should have recused herself. Lokesh doesn't know that the fund he's talking about being in 2019. ये basic facts तो पढ़कर नहीं आ रहे, Pranesh. The question of the retail investor, let me tell you, in February last year, when the report first came out, the retail investor, the market took a hit. But the recovery was seen almost immediately in all Adani enterprises, in LIC, in SBI, and every other company that was impacted. Today, Adani, LIC, SBI, or in the entire market as a whole, be it the BSE or the Nifty, they haven't even responded to the Hindenburg report that came out this weekend. Nothing at all. The Sensex has not even responded to it. The retail investor sitting there, the people sitting there, the institutional investor sitting there. So when you talk about the larger interest of the investors are making those decisions sitting in the market. And today we saw a testament to the resilience, to the confidence in SEBI, in the government, in the markets. So the Congress can keep harping on to its fake imaginary narrative devoid of any facts, as we know that the spokespersons here without the basic facts of the entire report. But the investors believe in the India growth story and they're backing the India growth story. It's that simple.
No, but demand for a JPC, like Dr. Syed Hafiz said, why is the government shying away from it?
No, demand on JPC for what, Pranesh? These are short sellers. They are saying that we are shorting the stock, we are shorting the stocks in the Indian market, we want to make a profit. So should we start now investigating companies on the behest of people who want to harm Indian interests, who want to harm retail investors? भैया कांग्रेस किसकी साइड पर है? शॉर्ट सेलर्स जो बाहर बैठे हैं, विदेश में बैठे हैं, या जो देश में बैठे इन्वेस्टर है? किसकी साइड है कांग्रेस? आज तो बता ही दे.
Let me bring in Dr. Hafiz once again. Dr. Hafiz, can the analogy of a hate job be dismissed completely, that this is a hate job by international hands? The reason I'm asking you, and please, indulge me, here are some hatchet jobs